You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this French phrase meaning we are going, nous allons? What happens here is that you have what we call a liaison, meaning that you link up the S at the end of nous, which would normally be silent, but because it's followed by a vowel on the next word, allons, well, you link them up and you pronounce the S like a Z. Nous allons. The final S is silent unless you had another vowel after it. Nous allons à Toulouse, for example. Nous allons à Paris, then yes, nous allons. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.